In the previous tutorial, we already know how to create a timer. No matter it's the displaying the timer or stop counting the timer in some situation. Now we are creating more buttons for this game. We are going to create a quit button to quit the game, or back to the home menu and hit the replay button. We can start to replay the game. And also, if you want to let user can link to your fan page or your website, we can create that button too. Go back to the Unity, open the GUI control gameplay, and go under the GUI. So let's create the buttons. So we are going to use this one. So first of all, we are going to create a quit button, or you can call it a home button. Just call it a home button, btn. And the home button will down to the screen in the left, bottom left. So we can simply just set to 0. And the height will be the screen height. But we will minus 128. Actually, no, 64. And the size will be 64 by 64. And again, we are going to using the GUI style, so we need to put this as a empty string. And then we are going to tell it to do something to load home button, home page or start page. So we also need to create the variables in here. It's called the buttons section. And it will be the GUI style. We check in here. You can see home button in here. Let's move home button up. And move the text style down to the bottom, so it will look better. Okay, so the home button is here. Now also we need to create a button 64 by 64. Okay, let's start from this one. Go back to Unity, duplicate this one, and call it home button. In this, by doing this way, we can keep the settings. And then we open from here. Close this one. Open the home button. Delete everything. Simply just draw a very quick home icon. Oh, kind of ugly. Save this home button. Maybe put the window in here. Back to the Unity, we should have the home button already. Okay. Then drag this home button in here. Take a look. Okay, it's in here. So we need to put something to make it can go back to the home. For loading the start page, after click on the button, we are going to use application.loadLevel, and I remember we call it a start page. Let me double check. So the page is called a start page. Copy this name in here. So when we hit, it's supposed to go back to the start page. Let's take a look. If we hit the home button, nothing happened and we got an arrow. It's pretty simple. The arrow is because we missed the one thing in here. We need to go back to the build setting, add current game page in here, and also open the start page and add a current. Make a game page under the start page and close this build setting windows. And let's do that again. Let's open the game page. Okay, so again, so back to the start page. When we hit the play button, we're supposed to load the game page. But right now we didn't put the application.load in the load level in this start page. So we are going to do that right now. We open start page and click on this one, and then click the script to open it. Okay, this is a debug. Coming out this one, we're using the same way, application load level, and let's call it gameplay page. Okay, it's the right spelling. Okay, when you hit the play, click on this one. We still got an arrow. Okay, let's double check in here. We already have the gameplay page. And copy this name in here. Simply copy this in here to compare. So nothing is wrong. We double check the name. Copy this name in here. Okay, wrong spelling. We need to go back to fix the spell. Change the name, call the gameplay page. I miss an E in here. Okay, we remove this one. Play again. Hit play. Okay, now we go back. Okay,